Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon. Brian Kelly here, coming to you from Garner, North Carolina. Oh, I'm go outside. Make a quick video here. Oh, it's so nice out here. Man, it's beautiful. Ain't this nice? Beautiful. That's my little dog, Maila here. She's got her little, look at those little things in her ears. Isn't she cute? She's a cute little dog. All right, hey Maila, come on. Let's go back in the house, sweetie. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Back in the house. Come on. Let's go. All right, I'll be right back, okay? Stay right there. Be right back. Oh, man. Another gorgeous day here in North Carolina. Just wanted to make a quick video. I have not done one in a while, so I thought I would do one. So anyway, about 20 minutes ago, I was doing some work on my computer, and I get a call. Did not recognize the number. I was a little busy, so I got the voicemail. So a guy called me, and he says his name is Chris. He's from Norfolk, Virginia, and he says, hey, leaves me a voicemail, says, hey, Brian. He's like really excited. He says, I want to join your top secret wealth plan program. Please give me a call back. So right away I gave him a call back, and he was extremely excited about the program. I told him, a little bit. He had a couple questions. I answered his questions and so forth. And he said, I have been watching your videos for about 4 to 5 months. I hadn't joined, but I just kind of been watching you and so forth. He said, now is the time to go ahead and join, so I'm going to do that. And he said something that was really, cool. And I stress this, a lot. And that is this, you've got to be consistent. You've got to be consistent. And, like I said, this guy had been watching my videos for about 4 to 5 months. And, sometimes it takes that, maybe sometimes it's like, a person sees your stuff and joins the very next day or the next, hour or whatever. But sometimes it may take a week or a month or, in this case, 4 or 5 months, But the bottom line is, I've come to realize that. I know that in life or in business and this type of thing, it's not like a instant overnight get rich quick kind of deal, But it takes some work. And what I mean by work is to simply advertise the topsecretwealthplan.com website along with your PIN number, and that's literally it. I tell people this all the time. I have people who join this program and get frustrated and just quit because they don't get overnight success. But you've got to stick to it, and you've got to be consistent. And that's the name of the game. So he told me he was going to go to the post office and get a money order and send me the tracking number, all that stuff. And once he sends me that tracking number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and send him his stuff right away. I don't have to wait until the money gets in my hand. As long as he shows that he is serious and actually sending it, then I'll give him his stuff so he can get started right away, so he can make a sale today. You never know. I'm not promising that, but all he has to do is follow the simple instructions that I give him and everything, and we'll see how things work out. So I'm pretty excited about the program. It's still alive and kicking and doing quite well. Still have people getting involved with the program. I've got a really great postcard system. Once you get involved, I have a really, really good postcard that we use. It's extremely effective. And I have a guy I've contracted with a guy in Florida who does all of our postcards, and he does a fantastic job. So, that's one option. You can do postcards, you can do Facebook, all type of social media. I recommend, when you start doing this program, Facebook is an absolute gold mine. It really is. Again, with that, you got to be consistent with it. Just placing some ads on Facebook, What I recommend you do is go to the top bar and just type in like business opportunity groups or make money groups, and you're going to come up with thousands and thousands of those groups. Okay, and just simply just join those groups and place the ads that I give you, and do it on a consistent basis. And what you do, you just put your URL or some information. Just hit information or contact me, and then you just simply message that person with the website, the topsecretwealthplan.com website address, which is the actual video, along with your PIN number, and that's literally all you have to do. I've made so many sales just doing that alone, and that's 100% free. So if you're on a tight budget, you don't want to spend a lot of money, you don't have a lot of money to spend on advertising, that is definitely the right road to go. And Facebook is so large and so big, it's never going to go anywhere. It's never going to get saturated. And you have people on there every single day who are advertising their business opportunity, and a lot of them are making money. And the reason is because there's so many people on Facebook who are looking to make extra money. Maybe not $1 zillion a day or whatever, but with an extra $300, $400, $500 a week, or even a month, would that could pay your car note, or dip into your put a dent into your mortgage or your rent, or maybe a student loan or a credit card. So this is something that's extremely easy to do, very effective, and it flat out works. I've got so many people in here, this program, who have made money and are currently making money, and that's the bottom line. All you have to do, I sound like a broken record, okay, but all you have to do is advertise the topsecretwealthplan.com website. When you type that in, it takes you to a YouTube video. It's about 20 minutes long, okay? Once you do that, you listen to the video, listen to it several times, right? And then you can give me a call directly, or you can text me, or you can email me with your questions. When you call me, I'll ask for the PIN number of the person who placed the advertisement. That way, it makes sure that person gets the credit for it and gets paid, right? And once you decide to join, then you're in there. That person gets the $140. I'll get the $10. Whoever PIN it belongs to, and it's as simple as that. And you do it over and over again. Play some ads on Facebook, play some ads on Craigslist. There's so many different avenues that you can do. Okay, this is super, super simple. Okay, really simple. So that's basically it for the day. Now check this out. This is my own personal, see there, 140perday.com, right? So that website kind of gives you a small introductory to the Top Secret program. All right, and so that's what you might want. That's what you want to go to. Listen, there's a couple of testimonies on there. It's really cool, and it'll kind of guide you to where you need to go, to the topsecretwealthplan.com website, and make sure you use that BDK1970. That's my personal ID that you can use, and will get you started. So thanks again for taking a look at this video. I hope you guys have a super fantastic day. It's so nice out here. I'm trying to figure out what I should do for the rest of the day. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.